Are you a student looking to boost your productivity and efficiency in 2026? With the rapid growth of artificial intelligence, numerous free AI tools have emerged that can help you streamline your tasks and save time. In this tutorial, we'll explore the best free AI tools for students in 2026 so you can stay ahead of the curve. Let's start with language translation tools. If you're a language learner or need to communicate with non-native speakers, tools like Google Translate and Microsoft Azure Cognitive Services Translator Text API can help. For example, you can use Google Translate to translate a 500-word article from Spanish to English in under 10 seconds, saving you hours of time spent on manual translation. Another essential tool for students is grammar and spell checkers. Grammarly and Language Tool offer free versions that can help you refine your writing and avoid mistakes. Grammarly, for instance, can detect over 250 types of grammatical errors